Let's lock the iPhone and see how the lock screen will appear when we turn it on. This is how your lock screen will appear after setting up live wallpaper.
Step 1. Download your live wallpaper.
You can use Pinterest, YouTube, or Safari to download your live wallpaper on your iPhone. We will use Pinterest application. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from your App Store. So first, open Pinterest application. Tap on the search icon. In the search box, type live wallpaper. Find the video that you like to set as your live wallpaper. If you open any video and scroll down, you will find more videos. Let's set this one as live wallpaper. Tap on the three dots. Now tap on copy link. Close Pinterest and open your Safari browser. Open Google and in the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader online. Now tap on the search button. Open the first link that appears. Now paste the link that we copied in the box and tap on the download button below. Now tap on the Force Download Video button. Tap on Download. Go to Download section. Tap on the downloaded video. Tap on the options icon. Now tap on Save Video. The video has been downloaded successfully and saved in the photos of your iPhone. Now let's move forward to the next step.
Step 2. Edit downloaded video on CapCut.
Now, we will use CapCut application. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from your App Store. So now open CapCut application. Tap on New Project button. Select the downloaded video and then tap on the Add button. Now tap on the video frame bar to select the video. Now slide the options and press duplicate button. Once you press the duplicate button, your selected video will duplicate and you can slide video frame bar left and right to see there are two same videos. Now tap on the first video and tap on the speed button from the options. Now tap on normal, slide and set this to 2x. Now, just tap on the tick-shaped icon. The first video speed is now to x faster than the original one. As we have edited the video completely now, tap on the export button to save the video. Now, just simply go to the home page and let's move forward to our next step.
Step 3. Turn edited video into live photo.
Now, we will use Into Live application. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from your App Store. So now open Into Live application. Tap on Live Wallpaper button. Tap on the edited video saved from CapCut. Now tap on the Done button. Now, just tap on the export icon and the video will be converted into live photo. The video is successfully converted into live photo. Let's head back and move on to the next step.
Step 4. Set live photo as live wallpaper.
So now open Photos app. Tap on the live photo that we saved from into Live application. Now tap on the Options icon. Now slide down and find the Use as Wallpaper option. Once you find it, tap on the Use as Wallpaper option. Just wait for the live photo to load completely. When the loading icon completes loading, tap on the icon that appears and the photo will start moving. Now tap on the Add button. Now tap on the Customize Home Screen option. Now, tap on the blur icon so the home screen page will appear normal and won't appear as blurry, and tap on Done. Let's go to the home screen. So, the live wallpaper is successfully set. Let's lock the iPhone and see how the lock screen will appear when we turn it on. This is how your lock screen will appear after setting up live wallpaper. So that's all, and thanks for watching.
Don't miss out on the latest tech revelations. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and more. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Welcome to Tech Specs, your guide to discovering the full potential of technology. Let's explore the future together.